You excited? Yeah. I know, Kens. Oh. Oh. There you go. All right. Sunday morning. I think my room 5 sang a song about Sunday morning and how good it is. So it is 8:14. I'm on vacation, but a little wee creature told me that I had to feed her, and she's right. She's right, because come hell or high water, she needs to have her wet food. Right, baby? Alright, so I booked the Uber. I had to do the wait and save approach, because I don't know what Uber's pricing method has been as of late, but they've been ridiculously expensive. A ride that used to only cost like $6, they want like $14 for now, which is wild. So I did the wait and save, and then I have Uber Super Pass for the next year because I have an Apple credit card. A ride that would normally cost me $15 or $16 is only costing me $10 and change. I mean, you tip on top of that, so it's really more like $14. But yeah, we're gonna work on this double chin. All right, I'm waiting for the Uber. With the wait and save, you don't get an instantaneous driver assigned to you. You have to wait. They'll buzz me when they have a driver for me. So me and little Miss Patootie Pants here are just gonna waste away on this Sunday until the ride gets here. Right, baby? The love of my life. The love of my life other than you, baby. Yeah, you little cute. Oh. Reasonably mild. Many days could see highs in the 80s. This is a very well-groomed, lovely little lady. Very little rain chances, though. We need the rain for the ongoing drought. Not much of that to look forward to, but boom. We are at the, well, we're not at the, we're about to turn into the Whole Foods parking lot. This little complex shares the space with some restaurants. We got Carrabba's over to the right, and we got a new tavern in the square coming. It's a double-decker if you look at it. We got the Friendly Toast all-day breakfast, which is a lie because they're not open all day for breakfast during the week. You know, it didn't say 7 days a week, but it's a little deceptive, don't you think? Don't you think? Anyway, we are going to pull into Whole Foods on the right here. I'm actually going to bang a left because I'm trying to avoid all the hubbub from turning right. Let's not hit the man and his child, even though that's like 50 million points, but it's all right. We're not going for score records today. Let's see how gross everything looks. I'm totally not following what I should be following, but whatever. I like going in on this side, so we're going to park right here. There's a lot of Star Wars fans over here. Like there's, I would say 50% of the bumper stickers I've seen in Bedford, New Hampshire has some kind of Star Wars reference. All right. Whole Foods does not allow filming inside their establishment, so I am not going to film there, but I will check with you guys when I get back out. I just left Whole Foods. That was an adventure. Got some hot bar food in. Got a decent amount of stuff, so I'll try to unpack when I get back to the friend's house. Well, look who's here to greet me. Hi, cutes. Boop. We got Orange Monster. That did not come from Whole Foods. We got Monster Tropical. Last one there. That also did not come from Whole Foods. We got cookies, which I'm going to show you. These are their sesame cucumber noodles. They're really good. I got about a pound of them. And then for dinner, I got their dinners to go. Well, not dinners to go. They make it for you. But I got finger potatoes, tortellini salad, and a chicken cutlet. Not a bad haul. And of course, I got to give the little princess her favorite. It's a paper bag. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Oh my God, it's a paper bag. It's a $42 paper bag, baby. I just want you to understand that. She'll be tied to that thing for hours. It's cookie time. And, well, I don't want to destroy this bag, but I'm not going to eat all these cookies all at this moment. 1 second. And we have cookies. So this here is a birthday celebration cookie. I'm assuming it's just a sugar cookie with some kind of like birthday frosting taste. This is it's an almond cookie, and it's got a little bit of jam there. Then we have a almond cookie, like a cookie made with actual almond. This is just a almond flour. This is a Nutella crisp cookie. I can't remember what the crisp part is made out of, but it's something good. It's basically the Pepperidge Farm cookie, but with Nutella. This is a matcha, not matcha. This is a latte cookie of some kind. I'm using the bad camera, but yeah, it's some kind of like latte cookie, espresso cappuccino. This is a standard butter cookie with a little bit of strawberry jam. Jammy Dodger, if you watch Doctor Who, you'll know what this is. It's a very deadly weapon. It will blow all Daleks to hell. And then this, crap. I can't remember what this is. Well, I guess I'm going to start with this one. Oh. 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 That is an apple pie cookie. Yes. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's an apple pie cookie. Oh. Wow. That's very good. All right. So right now I'm going to go with this one, and this one. I'm going to save the rest for later on. Boom. So this one, not really that great. Do I regret purchasing it? I do, because these cookies were $12.99 a pound. Just that much jelly. Not really worth it. I'm actually not even going to finish it. That's how bad it is. Very excited for this guy, though. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, very good.
Long time. I saw it in cookbooks. You guys, I think it's going to be really good. It's interesting, as you can see.
Salutations. It is 6:24 p.m. Still Sunday. I've been editing and watching some more tutorials. Not going to go to the gym today. Don't really care. I'm on vacation. Maybe that's a cop-out. Also don't care. It's been a day. I've been journaling. I've been watching a lot of content and catching up on just taking an hour, turning off my phone, no noise, no television, no nothing, and just an hour of just nothing. Magical. So that's my workout. I did a mental workout, right? Anyway, I am wrapping up the day. So I didn't film it earlier because Whole Foods is very not friendly when it comes to filming inside their establishments, which again, I worked retail, so I respect it. So I just won't even bother bringing my camera in there. What I had from the hot bar, I had one chimichurri chicken breast. I think it was a chicken thigh, actually, to be honest with you. I picked up that food that you saw earlier, but for the hot bar, I had the one, it looked to be about 6-ounce chicken breast or chicken thigh with chimichurri seasoning on it. I had 2 half pieces of naan bread. I got the orange chicken and broccoli, which was kind of, I gotta say though, like for Whole Foods, that orange chicken and broccoli wasn't real orange chicken, but it was like the TGI Fridays Jack Daniel's chicken strips. Like it had that weird panko crumb fried breading on it, and it was tossed in an orange chicken sauce, which was suspiciously very close to Jack Daniel's whiskey sauce from Fridays. I was happy with it. I had about 4 pieces of broccoli with that. Oh, and 1 chicken tender. So I didn't get any rice. I did have the naan bread, but I tried to avoid a lot of other stuff. I had leftover, whatever those noodles are. Is it lo mein? I don't know. Whatever those, oh, chow mein noodles. I had the chow mein noodles. So I had like maybe like 0.33 of a pound worth of those noodles too. And then I had 3 of those cookies. So I'm not doing too bad. Let me grab my phone. Hey, we're at 100%. All right, so I'm at 100% for my phone. I think I'm too dark. Oh, that's a little too bright. Turn down to 15. All right. We're going to go into MyFitnessPal. No, I don't want premium. Diary. Breakfast. Whole Foods. Cucumber. What is this? Okay, it's called Sesame Cucumber Noodle. How many ounces is 0.33 of a pound? 5.28 ounces. So by default, it's doing 4 ounces. I'm going to change that to 1 ounce, and then you have to just manually correct it yourself. So I'm going to do 5, and do 5 1/3 for the measurement for ounces. That's a whopping 200 calories. And then for lunch, Whole Foods chimichurri chicken, because I think they sell that. Yeah, Whole Foods chimichurri chicken. So like I said, I got about 6 ounces. So again, we're going to change it to the 1 ounce measurement. Come on, focus, goddamn you. There we go. And then we're going to change it to, I'm going to just round it up to 6 ounces. Why the heck? It's saying that the chimichurri chicken, that's not right. Why is that 142 grams of carbs? That makes zero. There's no carbs in it. There we go. That is really weird. Somebody's trying to sabotage people. There we go. That's better. I found a corrected one. So we're looking at 180 calories, 1.5 grams of carbs, 37.5 grams of protein, whole foods, chicken, tender. It is a pretty fat one. By default, it's saying 4 ounces. I'm actually going to go with 5.5. Because it is a pretty big boy. And then we're going to do whole foods, orange chicken. Broccoli. Nope. Okay. Orange meatballs with broccoli? That don't sound right. I'm just going to do the orange chicken. Broccoli's broccoli. I'm not going to go crazy trying to count it towards my my stuff. I got 7 chunks. They were all different sizes. I can't say it was an ounce each. I'm gonna be a little heavy-handed. I'm gonna guess that was about 8 ounces. And then whole foods, non-bread. So I'm just counting it as one whole naan because I had 2. They cut them in half. So I ended up with 2 pieces. Oh, so I'm at 1,215 calories. Where are we at for protein? I know I have to add the cookies, but bear with me. So I'm at 132 grams of protein right now. So I'm not doing bad on the protein aspect, and I still have to have dinner. So we're going to do snacks. We're going to do whole foods, apple pie cookie. It was a really tiny cookie, so I'm going to agree with 1 ounce as the measurement. Whole foods. I'm just going to type in cookie bar, see what comes up. Because some of them, I don't know what their names are. You know what I mean? And that's my fault for not writing the names down. But Whole Foods cookies. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to count this mom's apple pie cookie 4 times. I'm going to say that was 4 ounces because the chocolate one was bigger than the other ones. Next time I definitely have to write the names down. So we're at 1,735 calories roughly. And let's see what Apple's saying I've burned today for existing. So yeah, that's my calorie count. So I've burned by existing 2,247 calories. And then I still have to have dinner. So since we're here, and I'm going to be editing this anyway, I ain't even microwaving this because like this stuff is going to be good, cold on its own. So They're a pretty hefty boy. She weighed it, but there's no, oh, because you can get one main and two sides, even though she put it on the scale, there's no weight associated with it. I don't want to drop my food. This happens every time I try to do a cross angle. So, ooh, cucumber. Oh, that's very flavorful. Hold up. I'm gonna turn the brightness up. I think that's bright enough for you guys to be able to see. So we've got these potatoes here. I feel like this is pretty hefty. I'm gonna say this is at least 8 ounces. I'm gonna punish myself. I'm gonna say this is 10 ounces. Because there's a lot of potato here. Like you can't see how deep this goes, but it goes pretty deep, and there's a lot of potato in here. Not really good. Tortellini salad. Wow, that's pretty hefty too. God, I'm gonna say that's at least 8 ounces. Might realistically be 6.5 or 7. But I'd rather be over than under. And then this cutlet, they call it something else. I actually might microwave this. I think they're calling it chicken scallopini. Maybe there's a hint of lemon in there. I don't know how I feel about microwaving up cold salad. I think I'm going to put the potatoes on a plate their own. But yeah, I should have brought my scale with me. So I'm going to go 10, 8, 7 for the chicken. Let me do that right now before my fat ass decides to go crazy. That light is just way too loud. Alright. Opening up my Fitness Pal again. You're crushing it. Thanks. I appreciate that. Whole Foods chicken scallopini? Yeah, scallopini. Chicken scallopini. Hey, by default it's saying 5.3 ounces. I'm gonna manually override it 1 ounce. I'm gonna say that's an even 6.5. That is a pretty heavy cutlet. And I ain't mad. Whole Foods tortellini salad. I don't know what they call it. We said 8 ounces. That's what I'm putting in. Whole Foods potatoes roasted. I think that's what they call them. Roast potatoes, yeah. Override 1 ounce. Change this to 10. Oof. 45 grams of carbs. Alright, so for today, when I finish eating all that, because I'm not going to have any more cookie, 2,677 calories, so I'm a little under what my body and my age and my weight currently need. So that gives me a grand total of 182 grams of protein. 294 grams of carbs, way over on sodium, 3,837 sodium, 54 sugars on a goal of 109. So, you know, not great, not terrible. All right, I'm gonna microwave these potatoes, eat that, pet the cat, tell her she's a good girl, give her dinner. So for dinner, I give her 6 little crunchy treats. And then she's gonna eat with me. Because we eat together, right, baby? She don't go. Look at her. Yeah. So we're gonna eat. I'm gonna edit this video. That's it for today. Day 1 coming back. And then this week, since I'm on vacation, I'm not going back to stay at the house until Tuesday morning. But this week, while I'm on vacation, I'm going to go through all my old footage and I'm just going to dump everything back in. I have to go through all my old stuff and cut out or censor whatever could be questionable for my job. And I'm going to re-upload all my old content. And that way, I don't feel like my channel's so naked. And then I just have to make sure I stick to this format going forward. Okay, I'm also going to turn the air conditioning on. It's pretty hot in here. All right, guys, gonna edit this, gonna upload it. See you guys tomorrow.